This is the Compressible Flow Mach interactive calculator, which solves isentropic flow relationships for compressible fluids. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate flow properties from Mach number. Calculate Mach from pressure ratio. Calculate Mach from temperature ratio. Calculate Mach from density ratio. Calculate Mach from area ratio supersonic. And calculate area ratio from Mach number. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Flow Properties from Mach Number. Next, we input the specific heat ratio gamma, which I'll set to 1.4. Then we enter the Mach number m, which I'll set to 2.0. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The Mach number confirms our input at 2000. The flow regime shows supersonic, which makes sense since Mach 2 is twice the speed of sound. The pressure ratio P over P naught equals 0.127805, meaning the static pressure is about 12.8% of the stagnation pressure. The temperature ratio T over T naught is 0.555556, indicating the static temperature is about 55.6% of the stagnation temperature. The density ratio RHO over RHO naught is 0.2348. Finally, the area ratio A over A star equals 1.687500, showing the flow area is 1.69 times the critical throat area. Find the link in the description below.